A lot of you guys are having questions on number 6, so I'm going to go over that real quick. So number 6 says the sum of interior angles of a polygon is 1620. How many sides does a polygon have? We will be working backwards. So if you remember, S is the sum of interior angles, so that is already given to us. So we say 1620 is equal to n minus 2 times 180. Remember, we are solving for n because we are looking for the number of sides, so I'm going to say that is actually my x. So in order to get x by itself, I have to do opposite to get it to the other side. So if I'm multiplying by 180, I'm going to divide by 180 on both sides. That gets canceled. 1620 divided by 180, that is 9. Set that equal to x minus 2. We do not need these parentheses anymore. Then you add 2 to both sides. That becomes 9 plus 2, that's 11. So the number of sides of this polygon is actually 11. Okay, so go ahead and do number 7. Call me over, let me check your work, make sure you've done it right. And then after that, continue to your original video.